Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a house in Laureles in the neighborhood called Florida Nueva. And stick around towards the end of the video because I'll show you exactly where it's located on the map and what's around you as we walk into this this property here that has 292 square meters of space with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Now this is a house. This is, if you've walked through Laureles, you know exactly the type of property that I'm talking about. It's usually in those like 2-story buildings where you have one house on the first floor and then a separate house on the second floor. That's exactly what this is. And we're on the first floor here. That is what's available here for sale. So as I mentioned, it has 292 square meters of space, including 3 patios. Here is a look of the indoor patio. So that's one of them where you get a lot of natural light in here. The other 2 patios are outdoor patios. It's the where the entrance is, right? The front door, and then the back patio here, where you'll see here in just a minute as we look at one of the guest bedrooms here. Also included with this house is a garage, right? So you have an attached garage with an electric garage door, as well as a library / home office. They currently use it, the owners, they currently use it as a home office and a library, but you can convert that possibly into another bedroom as well. And they actually did put a bed on the like the loft type area in the library. So you have a lot of space to work with here, right? 292 square meters. I'm sure you can be creative and you can use this to however you want, either for personal use, or maybe you can turn this into more of a co-living situation or a hostel. The property also includes a jacuzzi here in the back patio. There were some glass doors on the right hand side. If you didn't take a look at it, just rewind the video. But right behind those glass doors is a jacuzzi that works. Just when I went to go film, it wasn't available to see because they just had a bunch of storage stuff in there, and I didn't really want to include that in the video. But there is a functioning jacuzzi in this property as well. As we take a look at the garage there as well, so you have a lot of storage room there, extra storage room there with the garage. Or if you have a vehicle, right? If you have motorcycles or a car, you could obviously park it in there. But that's it for this walkthrough here. I'm gonna let you guys finish the video, and then we'll go over to Google Maps to show you exactly where we are and what's around you. Okay, so let's take a look at the listing of this property on our website. If you guys want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you can browse all of the properties that we have for sale, including this one, and you can see details like price per square meter that we have listed here on the right hand side, listed in Colombian pesos, the asking price here in Colombian pesos as well, and the asking price converted in dollars. That just changes depending on how the exchange rate is acting on the day. So let's go over to Google Maps to show you where this house is in Laureles. So we're looking at an overview of Laureles. And the neighborhood Florida Nueva is right here marked out in this yellow area. You're very close to the stadium and a few metro lines as well. So let's zoom in. And the house is in this area of where this green box is marked out. So in this general area, this area of Florida Nueva is walkable. It's all flat, so you can easily walk to a few shopping centers, a few grocery stores, pretty much anything that you need you can walk to. Within the Florida Nueva neighborhood, you have a very well-known salsa bar called Son Havana. It's a Cuban place, so they have live music on the weekends, and it's great, especially if you have been practicing your salsa moves, or you're learning, or you already know how to dance salsa. This is a really cool place to go to. I've been there a few times, and it's always just a great vibe when you go to that place. Now, what else is around you is, you know, if you don't want to go dance salsa, you want to go to other nightlife, well, you have you have La 70th Street, and I have it marked out here in red. So you're just 2 blocks away from it. Again, it's all flat, so probably just a 5-minute walk to La 70, and you can go hit up the bars, you know, the dance clubs that they offer as well, and a few restaurants as well. So that's great to have that, especially if you love having nightlife near you. What else you have around you is that you have 2 metro stations. The closest one is the Estadio metro station right here marked out in blue. A little bit farther down the line to the right, if you follow my cursor, you have the Suramericana metro station as well. So you have 2 metro stations there. You'd probably be using the Estadio one the most here. And you also have a main road called La Avenida San Juan. That is Calle 44th Street, I believe, but it is known as Avenida San Juan. It's this blue line that I have marked out here, a little bit slimmer, this line, but this road will lead you down to the main highway, and it will give you access to either go to downtown, or if you want to come over to El Poblado as well. Then I have this blue area marked out. Here you have a few grocery stores. You have Jumbo, you have Macro. You also have Home Center as well. So, you know, if you're doing any kind of remodeling or anything like that, upgrades, you can hit up Home Center that's just around the corner from your place here. And then just to kind of give you reference of where Florida Nueva is to the first park and second park of Laureles, I feel like a lot of people like to go to that area during the day, or, you know, to the restaurants in that area as well. Well, I have it marked out here in red. So you're not too far. I would say probably like a 20-minute walk, 25-minute walk. Again, it's all flat, so it could be shorter. But yeah, just to give you reference of where the parks are of Laureles, it's just right over here. So you're not too far away. And lastly, I don't have it marked out, but it is the stadium over here in Medellin. You're walking distance to it. Of course, that's where the 2 teams, the soccer teams, play there. That's where they hold concerts like Guns N' Roses, Bad Bunny, Shakira, Karol G is going to be playing here in December as well. So, you know, if you love to go to those events and you want to be near the stadium, right, possibly rent out your rooms or rent out the entire place. If you're not in town for any of those events, then you can definitely do that, because I know a lot of people, when they come to those events, they look for these areas that are close to the stadium. That way they can just easily walk there, and they don't have to spend too much money on Uber as well. So that's pretty much it for this overview of Florida Nueva. It is a residential area, so you'll see a lot of mom and pop stores around the area, a lot of Menú del Día places. Yes, you're close to the nightlife of La 70, but you're far enough where you probably won't get a lot of the noise from there. And again, I think this is a perfect opportunity for someone that is looking for maybe something long-term and they want to be in a more traditional property here in Colombia, or if they're looking to run a co-living or a hostel, I feel like this property gives that opportunity to them as well. So that's it for this house in Laureles. If you guys are interested and want to take a look at it, or maybe you're interested in something else, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.